Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a zombie T-Rex. I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our zombie T-Rex, we're going to start right here on our paper. I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to go down and then it's going to come back like a check mark. Next we're going to make a line that's going to go down and then up for the eye. Right underneath it, we're going to make a line that just goes down and then it's going to come back. Right here, let's draw a line that's going to go up and down for the eyebrow. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go over and then it's going to come down. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come over, and then it's going to come down like this. Then we're going to draw a straight line, kind of at an angle. Next, we'll draw a line that's going to come down, and then up. I'm going to go over, and then bring it up. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that comes over. And I'm going to make a little zigzag line that just kind of goes down and then comes back up. Then we'll draw a line that comes down. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that comes down a little bit. And I'm going to make a couple little bumpy lines with a little line that comes down. Then we'll continue this line down a little bit. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that comes down. Then we're going to go over and curve it down. Make a line that goes up, and another one that goes down and up. They'll make another line that's going to go over. We'll come up, and then I'm going to make a little line that just kind of curves in and then out. And then we'll go up. And we'll draw another little line right here. Starting here, we're just going to draw a little line that goes down. And we'll bring it a little bit farther. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and it's going to go straight down. We'll make another kind of zigzag line here, and then we're going to come down. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come back. And we'll make another one that's just going to go down and then come back. Then we'll draw a line that comes up, and it's going to go over at an angle. Now for the tail, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go up, and then it's going to come out to here. I'm going to bring it back, and then I'm going to put a couple more little zigzag lines on here. Then I'm going to bring it up to here. Now starting here, I'm going to bring this line down. We're going to put a couple more little zigzag lines, and then we're going to connect it. Now here's our basic shape of our zombie T-Rex. Now we want to come in here and add some details. So I'm going to add some teeth. Let's start off by making some sharp teeth on here. And we're just going to make them different sizes. We'll make some of them missing. And then we'll do the same thing down here. We'll put some close together and then some farther apart. I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to be kind of wavy, and it's going to come down to here. And then we're going to make a long, kind of skinny oval shape like this, so it looks like part of his skull is showing. We'll add a little extra line here, and I'm just going to color this in. Right here, I'm going to add some bumpy little lines for his brain. And then we'll add some little curved lines in here, just to make it look like a brain. Now, starting here, I'm going to just draw a little line that's just going to kind of be zigzag and wavy in here. You can make it look however you want to. And then I'm going to draw some lines that go down and then up for like his ribs. So we'll just go down and up. This kind of reminds me of the old Jurassic Park toys. I'm going to put some long, skinny lines on here so it looks like he's got some scratches. And then right up here, I'm going to draw a line that goes over, and then it's going to come down. Then we'll do one that goes over, we'll go down, and then come over to here. And I'm going to continue this all the way until I get to here. And that's going to be like part of his spine. And then we can add some extra little lines coming up here. And I'll put a couple little notches on there too. Now starting here, I'm just going to make a little wavy line. And then I'm going to add a couple little lines right here by the face on the skull. I'm going to make a couple more little quick lines on here so it looks like he's got more scratches. And then I'm going to add just a couple more kind of wavy, bumpy little spots on here just to make it look like he's got some skin missing. We'll draw a little line that comes up with a couple little lines here for part of his mouth. And then we'll draw some little wavy lines here to make it look like he's kind of drooling. We'll add a couple little claws on here. And then I want to add another little arm. So I'm going to make it come out here, and all I'm going to do is draw a long line that goes over. We're going to come down, and then we're going to bring it back. Then I'm going to make a little line down the middle. Then right here, we're going to make a little kind of rounded shape at the end. I'm going to make a little skinny rectangle and then a little skinny triangle. Do the same thing here, a little skinny rectangle and then a little skinny triangle. So it looks like he's got his other little arm that's just kind of like a skeleton arm. Then, if you want to, you can always add some extra little details in here. You can add like a couple more little lines on here for some scratches. You can really do whatever you want to just kind of make it your own. But there you go. There is your drawing of a little zombie T-Rex. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.